Hi, my name is Olivier, and today I will show you how to scan large parts with optimal volumetric accuracy with the new HandySCAN MAX. You might think that a photogrammetry is required, but Creaform's solution is even better: real-time calibration. The HandySCAN MAX Elite comes with 2 scale bars that you simply need to put in your setup and scan them with your part. That's it. No additional pictures needed, no extra step either. Let's see how it works. The real-time calibration makes for a quick and simple setup and guarantees a reliable volumetric accuracy on large parts by simply scanning scale bars. The scale bars are rugged and have 12mm glass-protected targets for easy reading and long-lasting build. They come with magnetic supports for easy installation, and each scale bar has its own unique QR code read by the scanner cameras, so no manual value entry. The photogrammetry process is all integrated in the software, and there is a visual in the live scanning interface that indicates the scale bar has been properly measured. The use of these scale bars guarantees the most accurate results for very large parts. Finally, the great thing about the real-time calibration is that apart from scaling the model, the scanner is now able to adjust its internal components during the scan, which removes the necessity of an extra calibration step and an extra calibration artifact. All in all, the real-time calibration is yet another Creaform tool that allows true simplicity and true accuracy on every single project.